How's it going, everyone? My name is Angelo, and for those of you who don't know, this channel is all about spray painting, and today I have another Marvel superhero for you guys. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make Green Goblin the video after this video, and Spider-Man the video after Green Goblin. After that, I think I'm going to be taking a little break from Marvel for a minute, and I'm going to start making some landscapes because I can do more. I want you guys to see that I can do more than just making superheroes all day. But anyways, today I have another superhero for you guys. Actually, it's really an anti-hero, I guess you can say. He likes to chop people's heads off and cut their limbs off, but whatever. It's the same thing. He saves the world pretty much. He saves people from getting killed, getting hurt, and whatever. Today, I'm going to be making Deadpool, as you guys can see in the title of the video. If you haven't seen his movies, if you haven't seen Ryan Reynolds' Deadpool movie, you need to freaking watch it because it's by far it's rated R. So for those of you who don't like seeing nudity or seeing killing and gore and all that, don't watch it. But if you haven't seen Deadpool yet, you gotta watch it because it's by far the funniest movie I've ever seen in my life. Once again, I wasn't really sure what background to make for this painting. I just kind of winged it. This is kind of the reason why I'm gonna take a break from superhero. Actually, I take that back. So Green Goblin, Spider-Man, and then I'm gonna make Ghost Rider after that, because I actually have an idea for Ghost Rider, and then after that I'm going to be making landscapes. But yeah, I'm kind of drawing a blank with these superheroes, so that's why I'm kind of taking a break from Marvel. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more content, help it grow, share it with your friends and family, comment on what I should do next in the videos. Thank you guys once again so much for watching. Let's get to the painting.
Let's get painting, guys.
Of course, I can fix that. So what you guys are seeing right now is a list of superheroes that I have stencils cut out for. I do not have all the superheroes quite yet. There's a lot of freaking superheroes. There's like 75. I don't know how many superheroes there are, but the list that you're seeing right now is a list of superheroes that I have to make right now, or that I have to spray paint. You might see Venom on the list. If you do, I pretty much have an idea already in mind for him, but I feel like I can do better than the idea that I have in store. So if you guys have any ideas, please let me know. But yeah, there you go. That's the list. All right, that about does it for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, comment on what I should do next, and also comment on what you think I should do for the superhero list for the background. I already got the stencils cut out. I already got the cover up for the stencil cut out. I just need a background idea for some of them. So if you guys can let me know what you guys think, I will be more than happy to take your ideas into consideration. And share this video with your friends and family to help my channel grow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you guys in the next spray painting video.